Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that's been preventing countless gamers from jumping into Fortnite, the Easy Anti-Cheat Not Installed error. If you're seeing this message when trying to launch the game, don't worry, I've got several proven solutions that should get you back into the action. Let's start with the most common and effective fix first. Often, this error occurs because the Easy Anti-Cheat service didn't install properly or got corrupted. First, completely exit both Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher. Make sure they're not running in your system tray. Now, navigate to your Fortnite installation folder. Typically, this is in C, Program Files, Epic Games, Fortnite Game Binaries, Win64. Look for the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and open it. Find the EasyAntiCheat_setup.exe file. Right-click this file and select Run as Administrator. When the setup window opens, click the Repair Service button. Let it complete the process, then restart your computer and try launching Fortnite again. If that didn't resolve the issue, let's try verifying your game files through the Epic Games launcher. Open the launcher, go to your library, and click on the three dots under Fortnite. Select Verify. This process will check all game files and replace any that are missing or corrupted. It might take a few minutes, but it often fixes anti-cheat issues. Still having problems? Let's check your antivirus and firewall settings. Sometimes security software can mistakenly block or remove Easy Anti-Cheat files. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, then try running the EasyAntiCheat_setup.exe again as administrator. Remember to re-enable your security software afterward. For those still encountering the error, let's try a complete reinstall of Easy Anti-Cheat. Go back to that Easy Anti-Cheat folder, run the setup.exe as administrator again, but this time choose Uninstall. Once it's removed, restart your computer, then run the setup file again to perform a fresh installation. If none of these solutions work, there might be a conflict with other software on your system. Try closing any background applications, especially overlays like Discord, MSI Afterburner, or recording software, then attempt to launch Fortnite again. As a last resort, you may need to reinstall Fortnite completely. Before doing this, make sure to back up your game settings and configurations. Uninstall through the Epic Games launcher, then download and install a fresh copy. I know dealing with anti-cheat errors can be frustrating, but one of these solutions should get you back into Fortnite. For most players, running the Easy Anti-Cheat Repair tool as administrator does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to your victory royales, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tech solutions. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.